SecMine is your guide to the world of cloud mining. Hey everyone, I'm Thomas from the technical support team at SecMine. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our innovative cloud, USDT mining software, Tether Cloud, which mines USDT from the TRC20 network. Want to give it a try? Getting a one-day trial is super easy. Just head over to our official Telegram bot via the link, select the program, and follow the simple instructions. Launching Tether Cloud is a breeze. All you need to do is choose your mining power and enter your USDT wallet address. It's that simple. A quick heads up, beware of fakes and scammers. The genuine cloud mining solutions are only available through our official Telegram bot, t.me/ccmine_bot. Ready to get started? Click the link to test or purchase our unique software for a one-time fee of $1,500, which includes a lifetime license and support. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to start mining USDT effortlessly.